Hello, welcome to Mental Math Tricks with EJD. In this video, we'll be looking at very smart way of multiplying by 9. Now, anytime you have to multiply by 9, you know what you have to do? Multiply the number by 10 and subtract the number itself, right? What that means is you have 27, right? So multiply 27 by 10, 10 is after 9, and then you subtract 27. I know it's easy to multiply by 10, just add 0. So you have 270 minus 27. Now, this may still be difficult if you have to rack your brain. So, I mean, I in previous videos I told you how to subtract, but how to do, you know, you can subtract and make adjustments. So in that case now, if you want to do that, you can take 27 to 30, to make 27 30 and make sure you add the same number to make 27 30, add it to 270 also. So you have 273, that's 270 plus 3. Okay, minus 27 plus 3. Okay, that's basically what that is about. So you have 273 minus 30. Now it's easy to subtract 30 from 273. So you just have 243, and that's the answer. Okay, of course, you can already get it straight from here. But I mean, if you still want something smarter, a smarter way to subtract, so just add 3 to 27 to make it 30. But make sure you add the same 3 to 270 to balance it up. Okay. All right. So next we have 43 times 9. So the trick is multiply 43 by 10 and subtract 43. So now you have 430 minus 43. So I can bring it down. So we can take this up to 50, right? Because it's easier to subtract 50. So, but whatever, you need to add 7 to 43 to make it 50. So you have 430 plus 7 minus 43 plus 7. So that's like 437 minus 50. So now it's easier to subtract 50 because that's just going to be 387. Yeah, because yeah, 7 minus 07, then 13 minus 5 is 8. Okay, so and then you have 3, so that's 387 easily. That's how to multiply 43 by 9. So that's 387. So that goes. So next you have 56 times 9. So for 56 times 9, just say 56 times 10. Okay, 56 times 10 minus 56 easily. And then this is equal to 560 minus 56. Well, maybe this is easy because you can just say 60 minus 56 is 4 already. So that's just 504. And that can go. But if that's not still easy, you can just add 4 to this, add 4 to this. So you have 564 minus 60. So 60 just goes, and you still have your 504. Easy peasy, right? Then next, you have 72 times 9. So just say 72 times 10 minus 72. Okay? That is 720 minus 72. So for this, you may need to add so it's easier, right? To add to take 72 up to 80 instead of having to rack your brain. So you just say 720 plus 8, right? Minus 72 plus 8, like that. So that is 728 minus 80. So now it's easy to subtract. So you just say 8 minus 0, that's 8. Then 12 minus 8, that's 4. So, and 7 will remain 6. So you have 6, 4, 8. And that is 72 times 9 instead of wasting time. So tell me, how do you solve this? Let me know. All right, subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so you can always get alerted each time a new video is released. Bye.